Hi, it's Anita Cordell here with the Yellow Brick Group powered by Real Broker, and today's tour is a lovely home behind me in Oaks Ridge Meadows, and this property is feeding into the award-winning Blue Springs School District, and such a lovely neighborhood. So many people, when they look in this neighborhood, want to live here, and I've had people say, I want to live in Oaks Ridge Meadows. So let's take a look at this house. And first, I like to look across the street and take you around the area that is the street. So you can see and hear it's super quiet. It's one of the offshoot streets of Oaks Ridge Meadows. Such a lovely house across the street. This property is listed with MaeAnna, McCowen with ReMax. All right, let's take a look inside here. This is the front, 3-car garage, and I love the elegance of what this fountain obviously isn't on, but what a neat feeling when you walk in. Now, I will say this, it is facing really more on the west side, which means that the sun, so you can see the sun way bright. It's a hot day today. But when the sun comes out, the driveway is actually going to benefit from that, because in the wintertime when the snow comes, the snow is going to melt super fast on this driveway, which is something that people love when the house faces this direction. The part that you have to be careful about is the door. So if you have guests coming over or what have you, and you have your door painted dark, this door is going to be hotter. It's going to be hot anyway, but this door is going to be hotter. So keep in mind that. Okay, so this is what we walk into. You've got your dining room off to the left, and you've got an entryway, and so many of these properties have this pillar here. Now, some of the properties that are in a little bit more of a higher price point might have a little bit broader pillars. They might be wider. There might be extra pillars here, but it just gives a vibe, kind of an essence of it. And so just wanted to note that. Now, this just had a price drop. This is a property that is now listed at $499,900. So you can get this for just under $500,000, and they have put in all new carpet. Okay, so this is the living room. Lovely fireplace. It's got this, it's not necessarily pink, but it's got kind of a pink hue to it on this tile. And this gas fireplace still has the TV mount. Somebody put their TV there, which is pretty common. And I do like the floor to ceiling windows here. This home is 3,100 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and 3-car garage. So this is where you've got kind of an open space, but it's you've got your area here where you can have your smaller breakfast table if you want, and then your living room out here, and then your dining room off to the side. Well, I like that little area. Sometimes they will put this in here and just knock it out. Sometimes you'll see a light at the top so it can shine some light on some decor there. Okay, so let's look at the kitchen. This kitchen paint is pretty common right now, and it looks really nice in here. There's a good space, a good feel. It doesn't feel too cramped. And I like how that the space between the stove and the oven comparably speaking to all of the necessities, you've got a great diameter dimension here. Not only that, but you've got some really good space regarding the countertops. There's a lot of countertops here and very functional. This is a very functional kitchen. And not only that, but you've got some space here for maybe, I don't know, 4 bar stools, 3 if you want to get bigger, oversized bar stools. But 4 would look really nice. And here's your pantry. Here you go with that. It's kind of wide, pantry there. And then here's the laundry room. So some 2-story, this is a 2-story. Some 2 stories have the laundry room down in, on the main level, and other 2 stories have it on the bedroom level, which is upstairs. And why they designed it that way, it just is varied on personal preference. Some people want the laundry room on the main level to help with kind of a median between any bedrooms that might be down in the basement and shared with the bedrooms on the 2nd floor. And other people want the laundry room on the 2nd floor with all the main bedrooms. So it just depends. So here's this hall closet. It's actually a coat closet / cleaning closet. And then the half bath. I like that color. It's more like a chocolatey brown color. I like it. And then, oh, hi, I'm here.
Oh, how you doing?
Good, I'm
doing the landscaping.
Okay.
You guys will not come again.
Okay. The landscaper was here. Here, I'll shut that door and then I'll maybe go back outside and show you but the landscaper showed up. Okay, so I want to get this outside before the landscaper comes around. So, okay, very big patio. One of the things that I love about some of these properties in Oaks Ridge Meadows is the big patios. And I like how that it has 2 separate entrances down into the yard. And so you've got an entrance here, and then you've got an entrance over on the other side. So there you go. But this is a big patio. And another thing that I like about this is, as you can tell, it's in the shade. You've got these trees above here that cause it to be shaded. This makes it really nice. Okay, so that's a big patio, which is great. You could have so much on there, several grills, you know, all the things. Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs first, and then we'll go downstairs in the basement. So let's go upstairs. I like this carpet on the stairs. More and more people are headed this direction and are doing it. I call it the Berber carpet on stairs. Stairs they take the most wear and tear, and it was, when we did our carpet, it was one of the best decisions that we made when we put our carpet in, is it just does not get worn. So this bedroom, pretty standard bedroom. I would say that I'm guessing it's probably 10 by 12 maybe. There you go, with the closet. And this bedroom shares the bathroom with another bedroom. So it's more of a Jack and Jill shared bathroom. So it's a double vanity. And then you've got the shower. I did that kind of a fast swoop there. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so then the same bedroom, just mirrored on the other side. Okay, so coming down this hall, so we have, you know, bedroom, bedroom, and then regular bedroom, and then your primary bedroom. So this bedroom here, it's just a closet here. And then what's great about this room, look at the ceilings, kind of like the soaring ceilings here. And then looks like they had a fun, maybe they use it as a homeschool room or something, I'm not sure. But it's got a whiteboard there with some shelving. But this room has its own ensuite. So it makes it really nice for, you know, a guest to have their own private ensuite. Pretty wide sink there. All right, so we've looked at 3 of the bedrooms. Now let's go look at the primary bedroom. Oh, okay. I feel like this has a lot of space here. It's really wide. So you could do so much with this. You could put your bedroom here and then have enough room, or sorry, your bed here, and then you could put some chairs, sofa around the center of this insert here, that fireplace. Look at the ceiling. Can you tell? It looks like they put some kind of like designer wallpaper in that insert. I like that. Okay, so here is the primary suite, bathroom suite. We got a soaker tub, and then your toilet. Oh, I love this shower, how they designed it. Look at, they've used 3 different tiles. If you can see that for all you designers out there. So you've got this style, then you've got this lighter kind of muted color, and then you've got these I don't know, this tile that's got more of a lighter brown. But the design of that in the shower, really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, and so then you've got the master or the primary closet. Very spacious. And then there's your vanities, your double vanities. Oh, I like the mirror. Look at that. Anybody like copper looking colors? I do. Okay, so we've seen the 4 bedrooms on the second floor. So you got 4 bedrooms on the second floor, and then the main living area. So let's go downstairs and see the finished basement. Just a little bit more to go. Okay. Oh, so you enter into the finished basement area, and you can close off these French doors if you want. Kind of gives a neat, unique look. And then you've got another full shower down here. Oh, wow. Really nice built in there. Kind of fun. Okay. Now this basement doesn't have a full kitchenette area. It's more of a half kitchenette, but you've got enough space. You could put a refrigerator here if you want. And then you've got your microwave and your dishwasher. Some built-ins there for glasses, your wine glasses. And then a huge wall built-in area. And this is, of course, where some extra storage is. That is just one thing that sometimes people finish out a whole entire area and they need a little bit of extra storage room. But look at how big this is. It goes way deep. So pool table, you know, your seating area here, lots of space here for sure. Let's see what's in this closet. Okay, so that would be your sump pump. And then might be some added storage. Yep, I was right. Some added storage. Oh, there's a lot of storage here. Look at that. This is great how they finish this off. I love it when there's just enough storage to provide people with what they need. Games, Christmas stuff, all the things. So that is this tour. So if you want to see this toured in person, be sure and comment below. Or if you have any questions about this tour, let me know as well. Again, it's priced at $499.9. And to buy or sell, call Anita Cordell. And until next time, be sure and have a great day. God bless.